Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality technologies are rapidly advancing and will likely have a significant impact on how people live between 2020 and 2030. Here are some interesting ways that these technologies may change people's lives. Telepresence, VR and AR technologies will enable people to be present in virtual environments, allowing them to work, learn, and socialize remotely. This will reduce the need for physical travel, saving time, money, and reducing carbon emissions. People will be able to attend virtual meetings and conferences, take virtual tours, and participate in virtual social events, all from the comfort of their own homes. Improved education, VR and AR technologies will enhance the learning experience, allowing students to immerse themselves in virtual environments and interact with virtual objects. This will enable students to visualize complex concepts and gain a deeper understanding of the material. Students will be able to take virtual field trips and practice skills in virtual environments before applying them in the real world. Healthcare, VR and AR technologies will revolutionize healthcare by providing new ways to diagnose and treat patients. For example, doctors will be able to use VR and AR technologies to visualize the human body in 3D and perform virtual surgeries. This will reduce the risk of complications and improve patient outcomes. Entertainment, VR and AR technologies will transform the entertainment industry, allowing people to experience movies, games, and other forms of entertainment in immersive virtual environments. This will create new opportunities for filmmakers, game developers, and other content creators to engage audiences in new and exciting ways. Shopping, VR and AR technologies will change the way people shop, enabling them to try on clothes and see how furniture looks in their homes before making a purchase. This will improve the online shopping experience and reduce the number of returns, saving retailers money and reducing waste. Tourism, VR and AR technologies will enable people to experience virtual travel, allowing them to visit exotic locations and landmarks from around the world without leaving their homes. This will make travel more accessible and affordable, particularly for people with disabilities or who live in remote areas. Workforce training, VR and AR technologies will revolutionize workforce training by providing immersive simulations that enable employees to practice skills and learn from their mistakes in a safe, virtual environment. This will improve employee performance and reduce the risk of accidents and injuries. Artificial intelligence is transforming our world at an unprecedented pace, and the next decade is poised to see even more dramatic changes in how we live, work, and interact with each other. Here are some interesting ways that AI will change our lives between 2020 to 2030. Smarter cities. Cities are already using AI to optimize traffic flows, reduce energy consumption, and improve public safety. In the next decade, we can expect to see more intelligent cities that use AI to address a wide range of urban challenges, from managing waste and water resources to predicting and mitigating the effects of climate change. Personalized healthcare. AI is already helping doctors diagnose diseases and create personalized treatment plans based on a patient's genetic makeup, lifestyle, and medical history. In the next decade, we can expect to see AI become even more integral to healthcare, with advances in medical imaging, drug discovery, and remote patient monitoring. Autonomous transportation, self-driving cars, trucks, and drones are already being developed and tested, and we can expect to see more of them on our roads and in our skies in the coming years. This will not only make transportation safer and more efficient but will also free up time for people to work, relax, or engage in other activities while in transit. Enhanced education. AI has the potential to transform education by providing personalized learning experiences, identifying areas where students are struggling, and creating individualized study plans. In the next decade, we can expect to see more AI-powered educational tools and platforms that allow learners to take control of their own education. More efficient workplaces. AI is already being used to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up workers to focus on more complex and creative work. In the next decade, we can expect to see AI become even more integrated into workplaces, with advances in robotics, machine learning, and natural language processing. Improved customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are already being used to provide round-the-clock customer service. In the next decade, we can expect to see more sophisticated AI-powered customer service tools that can understand and respond to customer needs in real time. Enhanced entertainment. AI is already being used to create more immersive and interactive entertainment experiences, from video games to virtual reality experiences. In the next decade, we can expect to see more AI-powered entertainment, from personalized movie and TV recommendations to virtual concerts and sports events. More sustainable agriculture. AI has the potential to revolutionize agriculture by providing more precise and efficient ways to monitor and manage crops, from soil health to water usage. In the next decade, we can expect to see more AI-powered tools and platforms that help farmers optimize their yields while minimizing their environmental impact. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize almost every aspect of our lives in the next decade. While there are certainly challenges and concerns associated with this technology, the benefits are potentially immense, and it will be fascinating to see how AI continues to transform our world in the coming years. 5G networks, the next generation of cellular networks, are expected to have a significant impact on how people live in the coming decade. Here are some interesting ways that 5G networks will change people's lives over the next decade. Faster speeds and lower latency. 5G networks are designed to be faster and more responsive than previous generations of cellular networks. This means that people will be able to download and upload data much more quickly, and enjoy faster streaming of high-quality video content. In addition, the lower latency of 5G networks will enable applications such as remote surgery, real-time gaming, and autonomous vehicles. Internet of Things proliferation. 5G networks will enable the widespread deployment of IoT devices, which will be able to communicate with each other and with the cloud much more quickly and reliably than before. This will enable a wide range of new applications, such as smart homes, smart cities, and industrial automation. Augmented and virtual reality. 5G networks will enable the widespread adoption of AR and VR technologies, which require high bandwidth and low latency to deliver a seamless and immersive experience. This will enable new applications in areas such as gaming, education, and entertainment, as well as in industries such as architecture, engineering, and construction. Remote work and collaboration. 5G networks will enable more people to work remotely and collaborate with colleagues in real time, regardless of their location. This will enable more flexible work arrangements, reduce commuting times and costs, and improve work-life balance for many people. Healthcare. 5G networks will enable new applications in healthcare, such as remote monitoring, telemedicine, and remote surgery. This will enable more people to access healthcare services from their homes, improve the efficiency of healthcare delivery, and reduce healthcare costs. Energy efficiency and sustainability. 5G networks will enable new applications in areas such as smart grids, renewable energy, and transportation, which will help to reduce energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. Overall, 5G networks will have a transformative impact on how people live, work, and interact with each other and with the world around them in the coming decade. The increasing use of robotics is expected to have a significant impact on how people live between 2020 to 2030. Improved healthcare. Robotics is set to revolutionize the healthcare industry by providing better and more affordable care. Surgical robots, for example, can perform minimally invasive surgeries with greater precision, leading to fewer complications and shorter recovery times. Service robots can assist in patient monitoring, medication delivery, and other routine tasks, freeing up healthcare workers to focus on more complex and critical care. Increased safety. Robotics will improve safety in a variety of industries. In manufacturing, for example, collaborative robots can work alongside human workers, taking on dangerous or repetitive tasks and reducing the risk of accidents. In construction, robots can perform tasks such as welding, demolition, and heavy lifting, reducing the risk of injury to workers. Enhanced productivity. Robotics can greatly enhance productivity in a variety of industries. In manufacturing, robots can work around the clock, completing tasks faster and more efficiently than human workers. In agriculture, robots can plant, harvest, and monitor crops more precisely, leading to higher yields and less waste. In construction, robots can perform tasks such as bricklaying and welding, reducing the time and cost of building projects. Greater accessibility. Robotics can make a variety of tasks more accessible to people with disabilities. Additionally, exoskeletons and other robotic devices can help people with physical disabilities to walk, climb stairs, and perform other tasks that would otherwise be impossible. New career opportunities. While the increasing use of robotics may lead to job displacement in some industries, it will also create new career opportunities in fields such as robotics engineering, programming, and maintenance. Additionally, the use of robotics will enable workers in a variety of industries to focus on more complex and creative tasks, leading to a more fulfilling and rewarding work experience. Improved environmental sustainability. Robotics can contribute to a more sustainable future by reducing waste and minimizing the use of harmful chemicals. For example, in agriculture, robots can apply fertilizer and pesticide more precisely, reducing waste and minimizing the impact on the environment. In manufacturing, robots can help to reduce energy consumption by optimizing production processes. Overall, the increasing use of robotics is set to change how people live in a variety of ways between 2020 to 2030. While there are potential challenges and concerns that need to be addressed, the benefits of robotics are likely to be significant and transformative.